Daddy, Mommy, I'm awake. No, no, little bear, it's much too early. Go back to bed right away and turn off the lights. Daddy, Mommy, come see my castle. The next time that you come and wake us up with a rat bear, I'll use my temper. But you want to sleep all the time and I'm bored. Oh no! What's going on here with a bear? Well, I wanted to surprise you, so I started to make graphics for us all, and then Oh, it's nothing with a bear. It doesn't matter. You go and see Mommy. I'll take care of all of this. Shh! Stop that, little bear. It's only some music for the baby. Oh dear, you woke him up with all that noise. Oh there, the baby's making a lot of noise. But why is he crying? Don't worry, little bear. I think he's probably hungry. Okay, I know. What's wrong? Don't you want to play anymore? Oh well, come over here, my big little bear. Come have some cuddles too. Vroom, 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 vroom. I want to play with this toy. No, not those toys. Vroom, vroom, toot, toot, vroom. Hey, that's my truck. That's mine. Come back. That's my truck. Vroom, vroom. Oh, sorry. Mommy, those cakes look great. One loaf of bread, please. Mommy, can I have cake, please? No, little bear, not right now. But, Mommy, I'm hungry. I want a cake. No, little bear, I said no. Well, why not? You never want to buy me anything. Now, stop acting up, little bear. I'm not giving you that cake because we're gonna have supper soon. But I'm hungry. I want a cake right now. You're horrible, you are. That's enough, little bear. Come on, we're going home. No, I don't want to go home. I want a cake. That's enough. I'm going home. Mommy, it's dark. There's a wolf in my bedroom. I'll go down to the basement to switch the power back on. Don't worry, little bear. It's just a power cut. Alright, Dad. Bergamot the Marmot. Wait, Daddy. What's the matter, little bear? I forgot to go to the bathroom. Okay, you can start now. Right. Once upon a time, there was Mommy, I'm thirsty. Here is a glass of water. Thank you. Right then. Bergamot the Marmot. Oh, my favorite toy. I left it downstairs. I'll be right back. I'm ready now, Daddy. You can start reading the story now. Where was I? Oh yes. Once upon a time, there was a little marmot who was never tired. In Japan, it is a little strange for a marmot. All the bricks. Now we can rebuild the castle. No, little brown bear. It's too late to play. Now you really do have to clean up your room. But I fed up cleaning up my room all the time. With you, I can never play. Now listen, little brown bear. You wouldn't want those bad pirates to steal all your toys, would you? No, of course not. So hurry up. Help me hide the treasure in the chest. Okay, alright. Little bear, what are you doing? I'm doing some gardening and planting some flowers. But little bear, cut flowers will not grow again. Just look at you. You're soaking wet. Go and change. No, I'm not coming in yet. I haven't finished. Yes, you are, or you catch cold. But I'm not cold. I want to stay inside. No, leave me alone. No, I don't want to get changed. I don't want to take my boots off. Now, listen, that is enough. You're so horrible, really horrible. No, you're the one who's horrible. Now, calm down, little bear. I got work to do. You're so mean, you're so mean, you're so mean! I'm so hungry. When will Grandma and Grandpa be here? They shouldn't be long now, little bear, but I'm very, very hungry. Just be a little more patient, little bear. Why don't you come and help us set the table in the meantime? Hey, wait. There. Hey, kitty. Daddy. Daddy. Oh, what's the matter? Did you lose your daddy? Daddy. Daddy. I want my daddy. What does your daddy look like? It's my daddy. Now don't worry, we will find your dad. Where did he go, little bear? I looked everywhere for you. Daddy. Little brown bear was too sad to explain what happened. Now he's too happy to talk. Stop jumping on the sofa. It's time to go to bed. Oh no, Mommy, I don't want to go to bed. I want to jump around and play. We will see about that, little bear. Yahoo! I can jump the highest. And you will also go to bed the quickest. Stop, Daddy. I'll go by myself. Leave me alone. Put me down. Put me down. Will you stop rolling around, little bear? Watch this. You can't see me anymore. I turned the lights off. Now I'm starting to get angry, little bear. No, I'll go. I'll go to bed, Daddy. Now that's enough, little brown bear. Look at me, it's super little bear. Oh yay! I'm going to fly away. Are you okay, little brown bear? When little brown bear plays a fool, he's sure to end up in trouble. Then all of a sudden, he becomes a little bear wanting to cuddle. Huh? Oh no, I'm not going to wear those coats. Oh really? Why not, little bear? Because they're too tight on me. So why don't you wear your red pants with your yellow sweater? No, I'm going to choose. I'm gonna get dressed by myself. Alright, little bear, but hurry up, will you? I'll get myself ready. Okay, Mommy. What's wrong, little bear? Are you that scared of the water? No, it's the sea. It's too big, and the waves, they're too big, too. There is nothing to be scared of, little bear. Come on, follow me. Hello. Oh yeah, hello there. How are you? Mommy, I need another piece of paper. Later, little bear. And how many times have I told you not to bother me when I'm on the phone? Little bear. But what are you doing? Can't you see, Mommy? I'm repainting the walls. Oh no, oh no. Oh yes. This will make Daddy so happy, and you have less work to do. This is ridiculous. Little brown bear gets paint everywhere. He enjoys without a care. Mommy can only stare and look on in despair. Let's build a castle with those bricks. No thanks. I'd rather do a puzzle. Well, I don't really like puzzles much. I'll do a puzzle with you, little gray bear. But I was playing with little gray bear first. Hey, give me back my puzzle. Come on now, little bear. Sit down, please, everybody. Look at me, everyone. I'm Sansa, the superhero. No, little gray bear. I'm the superhero, not you. Yes, I am too. I have a mask. You don't. But I was Samson first. And I can climb higher than you. Well, I can run faster. Hey, now, calm down, little bears. But mommy, little gray bear, she says she's super and not true. Well, I'm gonna play with my dolly. You know the rule, little bear. No looking. Why did you hide the candy, mommy? Because you're much too greedy, little bear. You're cheating, little bear. Are you coming, little bear? It's time for a nap. Oh no, mommy, I don't want to. Well, I just saw little bear yawn, which means he must be very tired. No, 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 I'm not tired. I'm not going to bed. Hey, hey, hey. An obedient little bear always does what his mommy says. No, daddy, leave me alone. I don't want to. Why do we always have to take a nap after lunch? Because a nice nap helps us rest, and then we're full of energy. Up we go. See you later, little bear. And up we go, and up we go, and up we go, and up we go. Just a minute, little bear. Is that how you rest? But daddy, I'm really not tired at all. Huh. What do you think you're doing, little bear? Stop that right now. Well, that's for Santa Claus. I can never do anything right. Of course you can, little bear. I'm sure you can help us decorate the Christmas tree. The two of us play really well, don't we, little cat? Come on, kitty, try to catch the duck. Kitty, watch out. Now, you know the cats don't like water, little bear. I left something in my room. I'm gonna get it. I'll be right back. You can't catch my big kitty or my hands. Ow, my hand. What's the matter, little bear? Oh, it's nothing at all. It's just a scratch. You're a nasty kitty. I don't like you anymore. You're not my friend. The kitty didn't mean to hurt you.